Welcome to the Daily Influence, where our mission is to deliver a daily dose of positive influence that can uplift you personally or be shared within your sphere of influence. While not every episode may directly apply to your unique circumstances, we strive to provide insights and inspiration relevant to most people's daily, weekly, and monthly lives. Whether you are tuning in during the morning, noon, or night, the Daily Influence is here for you. Listen, share, and embrace the power of influence in your life. Hey everybody, Brian Smith here with the Ion Team series and your Daily Influence. Today we're going to talk about AI and how we here at the Ion Team series and at IA Business Advisors use AI to enhance our area of influence and how you might also use AI to do the same. There's so much out there about artificial intelligence and its value. And there's a certain amount of fear with groups of people. There's a certain amount of anxiety. There's a certain amount of excitement. I know Billy, one of our partners, is embracing AI and has really dived into what it can do to enhance the work that he does. He does a lot of strategic planning. He does a lot of coaching executives. He does a lot of goal setting. And he does a lot of setup transition work before it gets to the tactical engagement part of an organization. What I like about AI is its ability to be used as a tool, not to take over and replace humans, but to enhance our ability as humans and to give us the support that we were already getting maybe from other humans, but without having to be as much of a distraction or a disruption for those people that were in our organization. For example, Claire supports me a lot with editing, organizational work, looking over my shoulder at some of the writing that I might do. And depending on my workload, and the clients that I'm working on and the projects that I'm doing for those clients, that ebb and flow can be amazingly reactive. I would find myself regularly interrupting and disrupting anything that she might be doing. Now I can pull up one of our AI tools and ask it to critique the work that I'm doing, ask it to look at formulas I might be writing, algorithms I might be using to do statistical work in support of data analysis or risk analysis or getting to root cause of issues. And I can bounce this back and forth using AI. And what it does is it doesn't solve problems, but it shortens the amount of time that I might have to take to reach my next thought milestone on my journey to get to where I need to be. And when you use AI as a tool and don't let it take over for you, it can be amazingly valuable. The key to AI is learning how to communicate with it. There are a number of courses out there that will teach you how to engage with the different AI infrastructures that are out there, how to properly communicate with that AI, and then how to take what it gives back and actually filter it and make it more human again. One of the mistakes we see made, and it's very obvious to tell when somebody just cuts and pastes from an AI-generated piece of work, because AI does things that clearly indicate that it was used. It speaks consistently. For instance, ChatGPT consistently uses certain phrases, and you can pick them up when people have switched because they don't sound like the human you used to deal with. I think that's a mistake. I think that engaging with AI to provide you with insight and understanding about an issue, or provide you with critiquing, or provide you with editorial work, or provide you with formatting or ideas on how to do something, can enhance how you communicate as an individual, but you need to take that work and then put it back into your own format, your own personality. You need to look at those nuances and ask yourself, I would say that different, without taking the advantages of AI away. And that's how I use AI. I will also take work done by our team, for instance, in valuations, and have AI critique the math or critique the thought process. Ask if there is any other way of looking at data that might enhance what we're currently doing or support it. Using AI to reconcile a problem or the solution to a problem is another way that we have engaged with AI and help us shorten or cut some corners on ensuring that our T's are crossed, our I's are dotted on the advice, especially when it comes to formulas and tactical development that is very precise and has maybe a flow. You can run flow charts through it and ask it to look for gaps. You can have it critique policies and procedures and ask it to look for gaps. You can ask it to read through a document and point out inconsistencies or redundancies. And these are the types of things that you can use AI for to enhance your individual area of influence and the larger global area of influence. And it also means that it's positive and responsible. Using AI positively and responsibly is the last thing that we put on us in our organization. Is how I'm using AI adding value to our organization and to our clients? Is it allowing us to be our best selves and to do it in a way that upholds our core values and our mission? Does it provide for our clients maximum return on investment for what they're paying us for? And are we giving enough of ourselves to ensure that we are still growing and learning from the work that we're doing from our clients and not now turning over all of our thought and all of our heavy lifting to a tool that takes away from our ability to learn and make ourselves better and better advisors for our clients. So that's how we use AI at IA Business Advisors. That's how we recommend you approach AI. AI can be an amazing influence on your team. It can be another I in the I and Team series, in the I and Team package that you have there. And it can definitely be individual, and it can be positive, and it can be responsible as a tool for you to use in your areas of influence. I hope you have enjoyed today's discussion about how we use AI at IA Business Advisors. And I hope that tomorrow you will enjoy listening to Greg interview Alan Stern as they talk about marketing and how Alan has built his influence around marketing and shares his story with you. Hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you again soon.